Hey YouTubers, what you're looking at is a preview of coming attractions. During one of my most recent camping trips, I had dropped the back 40-gallon tank of my freshwater system onto the expressway and did some pretty serious damage to it. I not only lost all of my water, but also disconnected my water lines and broke the wires. Also put a nice sizable hole in the corner of my tank, which I could probably have that repaired if I had it plastic welded, but I think what I'm going to be doing is replacing the entire tank. I've already contacted Jayco and gotten a price estimate and availability, so when I order the tank, I'll show you the complete process of dropping the tank, doing the hookups, and reinstalling it. Hopefully it'll be an entertaining and informing video, so look forward to it coming. It should be up within the next few weeks. And once again, thanks for watching.